Mastering logging levels is crucial for robust Python applications. Logging provides configurable severity levels, timestamps, and outputs, unlike print statements. It scales with your application and can be toggled without code changes. Effective logging helps track elusive bugs, monitor application health, and offers audit trails for compliance and security analysis, serving as digital breadcrumbs for development and operations teams. Logging in Python offers configurable severity levels, timestamps, and outputs, unlike print statements. It scales with your application, aiding in bug tracking, monitoring health metrics, and providing audit trails. Logs act as digital breadcrumbs, offering a chronological record for rapid diagnosis and post-mortem analysis, crucial for development and operations teams. Python logging relies on 4 core components: logger, handler, formatter, and filter. The logger emits log messages, while the handler directs them to various outputs like files or databases. The formatter customizes log appearance, and the filter applies criteria to process specific log records. Together they form a robust logging infrastructure. In Python logging, the logger initiates the logging process by creating log messages. These messages are then passed to handlers, which determine their destination, such as files or consoles. Finally, formatters shape the log's appearance, adding timestamps and severity levels, ensuring clarity and consistency in log outputs for effective monitoring and debugging. Python logging levels range from not set to critical. Not set inherits from the parent logger, while debug provides detailed diagnostics. Info confirms normal operations, and warning, the default level, flags potential issues. Error indicates serious problems, and critical suggests the system may fail. By default, debug and info are ignored unless configured otherwise. DEUG provides detailed diagnostics for developers, like variable values and loop iterations. INFO confirms normal operations, such as user logins. Warning signals potential issues, like low disk space. Error indicates serious problems, such as a failed database query. Critical suggests the program may crash, like when memory is exhausted. Logging levels are visually scaled by severity. Debug at 10 for development insights, info at 20 for normal operations, warning at 30 for cautionary alerts, error at 40 for failures, and critical at 50 for emergencies. Higher values signify more critical issues demanding immediate attention. Setting a logging level filters messages, capturing only those at the specified level or higher. For instance, setting to INFO logs INFO, WARNING, ERROR, and CRITICAL messages, while DEBUG is ignored unless enabled. This reduces noise and enhances focus on critical information, optimizing performance in production environments. Configuring logging with timestamps and levels enhances clarity. This code demonstrates logging at all levels. Debug for user input processing, info for application start, warning for API limits, error for database issues, and critical for memory failures. Exception logging captures stack traces, as shown with a division error.